Hello, this is the Winnebago Revel, and I want to talk about water in this video. So in the summer, we keep the tank full, and we also carry around this 5-gallon jug for drinking water. Now in the winter in Colorado, most of where we go, it's cold, freezing, so we keep the van winterized. So again, we also carry around the 5-gallon jug for drinking water, but we also carry around this jug that has the spout, so when we want to wash our hands and do dishes, things of that nature. So I want to show you the storage solution that I came up with. So let's come inside and take a look at that. For a long time, I kept the 5-gallon jug stored in front of the bench seat, and I would put a bungee cord around it to secure it. And this worked really well, but it was just in the way. So anytime we were parked and camping, we wanted to enjoy this area up front, we had to move the 5-gallon jug. And for the smaller jug with the spout, I would just keep it up here on the countertop above the stove. And again, I would bungee cord that down. And it was great when we were traveling, it would stay put. But again, it was kind of in the way. And I did this for several months. We traveled this way. Then I thought there has to be a better solution. So in the garage area, I built this little platform. It is not the prettiest. I am not that great at doing these sorts of projects. I always have great ideas. I just can't make the idea come out my hands. So this green portion here was an old step stool that I had, and it seemed to work really well. It fit into the corner. And I do have a vent cover in the garage heating vent over that, so you can see that the step just fit perfectly around that. And then I just built this little platform right here. It was very simple. It was within my means. It is 5 inches right here, and then with the height of my cooler, it fits directly under the bed. So here's the cooler. I have it bungee corded down, and as you can see, I just put some of these hooks on here so I would have a place to put my bungee cord. And again, the bed goes exactly right here, so I don't have to worry about the bed hitting this. The great thing about this too, and having this 5 inches off the ground, is it gives us plenty of room to put items under here, whether it's a glass or a pan to fill with water, and we don't have to move it. So the 5-gallon cooler just stays back here, and we haven't had to move it yet. Even with the bed down, we can just partially crawl under and fill up our glass or bottle or pan. Now the jug with the spout, this is just for storage, so I do have it anchored down with some flexible tie downs, and then we just take it down and put it on the countertop when we need to use that. And as you can see, the jug fits up here nicely. So if we want to wash our hands or do a few dishes, we can do that. Well, thanks for watching my video on how I store water in the Winnebago Revel. I hope this video prompted some ideas for you. My ideas are not the best, so in the comments below, tell me what you've come up with, because I love hearing ideas from other Revel owners. I'm always stealing ideas. So let me know. I'll see you out there.